tapping into the breath and getting in tune with our natural state of being. Using this opportunity to connect to higher self, source wisdom, inner being. This Source Speaks transmission will focus on tapping into the natural state of our being, tuning into higher mind to truly feel and listen who we are beyond the form, the conditioning, the patterns, the personality, putting it all down, setting it down at the door, so we can just be who we truly are. Understanding those traits and those qualities, aspects that come back online when we can drop into stillness, inner quietude. Listening to the words with your entire being. Feeling more grace and ease enter the field. Tuning in to the entirety of the quantum field that surrounds us all. We're swimming in the same sea of consciousness. And when we get in tune with who we truly are, we understand that all humans, independent of their path, are truly wanting the same things. What is our natural state of being? Tapping into those states beyond circumstances and situations that might pull us in all kinds of directions. Taking the time and space to remember who we truly are. This is such big, huge work. The most important work we can be doing right now on the planet is to tune in. And feel the body temple, starting by aligning the spine, getting in tune with the resonance and alignment with this vertical axis, plugging in, grounding down even deeper, mega grounded into the crystalline core, the center of the earth, connecting to the soul matrix of the earth. Feel the roots deepening, the interweb expanding into the consciousness grid, and receiving the gifts from Mama Gaia, the innate intelligence of all of her creatures, the entrainment of the elementals. They're all here teaching us, showing us the way through biomimicry. Be in nature and surround yourself with the beauty of this world. It makes all the difference to put yourself in those places that inspire peace, growth, joy, happiness. Feel the love that surrounds you, wrap it around you in a warm cloak. And this love bubble, this golden bubble that surrounds the body field will seal in your frequencies and remove all the external interference, irritations, disturbances. Just let yourself be surrounded by golden white light, and dancing golden spirals will fill the aura. Get in tune and in touch with this place every single day. And as we continue to root down, staying grounded, present, and centered, we also rise up this silver cord through our antenna, shooting up into the heavens, opening up through the crown chakra to activate the toroidal force field. And the energy can spin, open, and align now, raising our frequency, our vibration. Calling to your higher self, source power, the infinite wisdom, of the entire multiverse is available at our fingertips when we tune in. Notice what it takes to become present, to focus on the breath and slow down the mind, letting the thoughts just wash over you and pass by. Enjoy the column of light, fortifying the body, erecting the spine, calming the nervous system, balancing the hormones and endocrine system. Ask for whatever healing needs to happen in this quantum experience. Surround all parts and pieces with a golden healing balm. Tiny light filaments from the quantum transfiguration grids will increase the cellular voltage and bring the divine blueprint back online. Instantaneous healing can happen when we tap into the field. Feeling energized and calm and soothed all at the same time. And we call upon our quantum family, earth family, soul family, family of light beyond form, tapping into the living library and Akashic records. Our high spiritual council and round table, the entourage of energies that surround us are present, available, ready to assist and support, loving us back into wholeness, our natural state of being, whole and well and healed, feeling satisfied and complete in the moment. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be. All that is available at our fingertips. Ask for the qualities and aspects that you need in the moment. More patience, more understanding, more kindness, appreciation for yourself and others. Always include yourself in the hologram and equation. And let every single being be surrounded by their own golden bubble and healing balm. Send out waves of love and gratitude to all those that have played a role in your life, whether they be victor or villain, helper or perpetrator. They're all serving our path, even if we don't understand or know the direct meaning or cause. We deepen our trust to the divine plan. Something greater than ourselves are leading the way, being impulsed by the life force energy. Trusting your passion, your intuition, those nudges from the divine powers that are beyond the veil. Feel who you truly are at your core, tapping into the core essence, your purpose, your power. Your path will unfold with divine play from the space of lightness and levity, being easy about it, taking this precious time to connect. Source is always with us and available. We must open up the receptor sites to receive more of the energies and guidance, spinning the field on turbo speed. Super duper fast will increase the vibrational tone to match that of our soul essence. Filling up with every inhalation and exhaling, making more room and space for the new. letting go of anything that is holding. Slough it off, let it be renewed and revitalized in this process of shedding. The field expands as we continue to match source energy, floating and drifting, feeling the levity and lightness of our being as we access the templates and codes. Beyond the words, feel the impulses, the visuals, the scenes, the templates, the movies that will play out in the higher mind, showing the way. Honoring every being for the path that they are taking. Every person is in their own holographic slice of time and reality. And your world consists of this connection, your power, your place. We are all here learning and growing at the leading edge. We're here to enjoy life even more by tapping into this true nature. Let yourself receive even more goodness, delight, and revel in the beauty of this world. The gifts, the blessings are pouring in. From the smallest minute detail to the biggest expansive vision. Let yourself play in your imagination of thriving, of wellness, of growing and expanding. We must practice it into being by feeling it deeply, knowing it to be true and real in your version of reality. No matter what anybody else is doing or saying or believing, you have the choice and the power point of the now to bring it into full fruition. Tapping into the true nature of your being, infinite and eternal, constantly expanding, renewing and regenerating every part of yourself, the mental, emotional, psycho-spiritual, and physical. We are regenerative in nature. We are expansive in nature. Beyond time and beyond this form, we will continue to evolve and our consciousness continues to grow. So much energy, life force, and power is ready to pulse through when the vessel is clear and clean, open and aligned. Knowing that healing can happen on all levels, we accept and receive the miracle and magic of this gift of life. Let it be easy. Tap into that flow state. Renew your relationship to time and space. Set down the mind's constructs, the interpretations and analysis, and just let everything be. Find the perfection in this moment just as it is. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just let it all be here now. It'll all be waiting for you at the door to pick up, to move from new eyes, inspired action, a different vantage point. Increasing our capacity for higher perspective changes everything. Notice the habit of judging or comparing. We're unplugging the not good enough virals, the unworthiness, the guilt and shame that has been plaguing the minds of humans for eons. The control mechanisms are dismantled with the new circuitry in place, upgrading and up-leveling our field, which activates the DNA in a whole new way, turning on the extrasensory abilities, trusting our gut instincts, and our ability to read the field and respond accordingly, getting curious, paying attention to our knee-jerk reactions, reflexes, coming back to a place, a sacred pause of stillness to respond exactly as we would like for things to be and as we want them, and see them in the higher truth and knowing of who we are. There is this divine guidance edging us forward, celebrating us, applauding us, cheering us all the way. Tuning into us through the emotional body and the feeling states. So accept and receive this guidance as divine wisdom. Interpreting the indicators of alignment clearly. When it feels good, it is good. When it feels off, it is off. Ask to see through the eyes of Source. Ask for the perception of Source and how does Source experience this? What would Source do? What would love do? Any mixed messages or confusion or just blocks in the field, the mind unraveling itself. As we move to newer octaves of evolution, we get to experience the world brand new, the new earth being born through our choices, our focus, our attention and intention are the critical keys and essentials to unlocking the golden codes, the harmonic coding, the golden divine. Tapping into the pineal master cell, the energy managers and glands that are being informed through the DNA. There is a pristine divine blueprint of optimal radiant health that your body, mind, spirit can be utilizing and operating from a new place of alignment and resonance. Feel it, see it, imagine it into being. Play with it at the leading edge. How much goodness can you possibly accept and receive? How much pleasure, how much bliss, pure joy can you experience yourself as loved, being loved, giving love? Can you let down the habits of self-sabotage, victimhood, disempowerment? They're just habits, actions that have been practiced into being that can be recalibrated, transformed in the light of your consciousness by choosing wisely a new path, do something different, engage with new activities. Trying a new way of being, trying it out like putting on a new outfit. Find the mentors and masters in physical and non-physical form that will lead the way and guide the way through biomimicry. Model them, be with them, Let them entrain you and teach you with their presence. That is the greatest gift we can give, is the living embodied example of this divine grace, walking the earth with peace, harmony, and joy, and an open heart. Keep it simple, clean, and clear. Remove the complications, the turbulence, the stagnation in the field. Every moment is a choice point. If you feel yourself get stuck or trip up, just start renewed and refreshed in the next moment. When learning something new, there will be bumps and bruises and stumbles along the way, and that's okay. Practice it into being, frequency of frequency. This is how mastery is embodied. Allow each step along the way to be significant and meaningful and have purpose. Gaining your growth, mastering the basics, and stepping into master level soul self at the leading edge. Enjoy the process and the unfolding. The journey is the entire path. We are a collection of moments. Breathe into that, celebrate it. The destination constantly unfolds and changes once we arrive. Continue walking the spirit way, knowing that you are hand in hand with higher self, source energy, nudging and guiding you. There is a mapping that we are being shown as we still live in a free will zone and practice our own way of being, becoming a blended being with future master presence. Practice this into being every moment of every day, bringing more consciousness, more awareness. In times of challenge as well as ease, notice the triggers and the set points. Notice where the energy flows and where it gets stuck. Play with it. Allow yourself to be entrained by nature, the elementals, Mama Gaia. The soul of the earth is communing with the heart of the earth. We feel this holographic electromagnetic field that surrounds the whole planet when we tap into our own soul matrix of the heart. Let the mind and heart and womb entrain with a harmonization and rebalancing of the hollow spheres. Use the body, tune the mind, explore and experience the emotions. Let it all come back into alignment, balance, and coherence with the heart field, the sacred space that holds the Merkaba, toroidal force field, this is our light body, the activation of our golden codes. Let it feel good to just bathe and bask in the golden divine light showering down from the heavens like dancing electric rainbow light love, plasma rays, up levels, uplifts and enlivens the field. This bubbly, tingly effervescence of your forever essence cleanses the cells and increases the vibratory tone to its highest optimal state. We're constantly being renewed with every breath, exchanging, taking in and letting go, giving and receiving evenly. Bring the energy back to the self from the heart space, emanate it out, and let it touch all beings that you come in contact with. Your radiance, brilliance, the magnificence of your being is felt within the electromagnetic field. We're all swimming in the sea of consciousness. The invisible energies that are beyond our light spectrum, beyond what the eyes can see, are sensed and felt through a deeper supernatural ability to tune into the higher vibratory states. Turn on those extrasensory abilities. The dormant strands of DNA will be activated when called upon and needed, necessary. So practice them into place. Enjoy what it feels like to come back into the power, radiance, and wholeness of who you truly are. Powerful beyond measure. Take 5 more deep breaths, just basking in these energies. Continue to let yourself rest back, laying down or sitting up straight for as long as it feels good to recharge your batteries. Fill yourself up and let go of the holding. Being thankful for the body, the breath, this being, this opportunity. Bringing it back to gratitude and appreciation over and over again connects to the thankful heart. Healing the timelines and releasing the past so more of you can be present in the now. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here, for your intention and attention. Namaste.